What's up guys, it's Logan here with Form Lighting, and today we're going to be showing you how to install our new LED license plate lights on this 2013 Toyota Tacoma. On either side of the vehicle, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove one screw holding the OEM license plate light in place. Next, remove the harness from the lamp by twisting and pulling it away. Remove the OEM bulb as well by pulling it out of the socket. Now we can remove the gasket from our OEM lamp and transfer it to our new Form Lighting lamp. These are side specific, so make sure the groove on the back of the lamp matches what is on the vehicle. Plug in the new Form Lighting lamp and test for function. If nothing happens, flip the connector 180 degrees and try again. With everything functioning properly, reverse the steps we used to remove the lamp to reinstall it and repeat the same steps on the other side. That wraps it up for this one. If you guys would like to pick up a set of LED license plate lights for your Tacoma, head over to formlights.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a Form Lighting dealer near you. Thanks for watching.